Hi guys, and welcome to part 5 of this campervan conversion. This is probably going to be the last video before the actual full tour of the campervan when it's all finished off. So this is what we're up to at the minute. We've got the toilet in there, plumbed in and sealed and wired up. We've got the cabinet in there that I was telling you about before for some storage. We're still waiting on the riser bar for the shower, so that's not quite finished off. And we've got we did have a faulty light, so we've had to take that out. We're waiting for a replacement on that. But apart from that, we're all but finished in there. We do have to put a curtain track in as well yet for the shower curtain, but that's all but done really. It's a nice big area, this one, because there's no actual sink in this one, so there's plenty room for the shower and toilet part. Facing that, we've got the kitchen. I know this weren't in on the last video. That's been made up and fitted now. The worktop's been shaped in. This has been placed in. This isn't actually fitted at the minute, but I'll show you down there. The pipes are there ready to go on. We've got the gas regulator down there, the dropout vent, all the plumbing and the gas underneath has been done because this has got an onboard gas tank as well. This is where the oven's going, and we're going to have some extra worktop flaps, extension flaps here and one on the other side as well. We've yet to put a TV on here yet. We've got a TV bracket and TV. There's going to be a mirror on the other side as well. In there, table. It's a big table. That's what they've requested. So I'm going to have to find somewhere to fit that one. But we're not far off at all on this conversion now. Like I said, doors are on. They weren't on before. We're just waiting for the handles. They're coming today. So yeah, we're not a million miles away. The upholstery should be coming, I'm hoping, towards the end of the week, if not beginning of next. So when all that comes, we'll get the striping on. We'll get it all cleaned off and polished up and ready for the final tour video. This is the first how-to video of the camper vans that I've done. I just want to thank you all for your nice comments and your questions as well. If you've got any more, please send them through and I'll answer them as quickly as I can. If you do want to see more how-to videos of the camper vans that we do, let me know. I can always start doing them on a regular basis. But yeah, for now, this is the final one before the full tour, and I'll get the final video done, and let me know what you think of the final outcome. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.